In this video, I am going to show you how we can check iNode value of a file or folder in Linux. So iNode is a unique number that is assigned to every file in Linux. So to check the iNode value of a file or folder, we can use this command ls space minus li. So this will show you a iNode value of every file or folder that exists on your device or specific folder. Right now I'm in the Kali home/Kali directory. So in this directory, these are the files and these are the unique identification number that is assigned to every file in Linux. And to view how many inode values are left or how many inode values are used, because this also has some limitation, like how much inode value you can use per partition. So to check that, we have a command known as df space minus I. So this will tell you the file system and the total number of inodes and inodes that are used and inodes that are free. And this is the percentage of the inode values that are used in percentage. So in this way, you can check inode value in Linux. Thanks for watching.